According to Islamic State, these are the two men behind Tuesday's church attack in Normandy. If true, they are the men who burst into a church service, taking hostages and then slitting the throat of the parish priest before being shot dead by police. One of the attackers has been identified as Abdel Malik Nabil Petitjean. Police opened a file on him in late June as a potential Islamist militant and were actively looking for him. Although in his family home, Petitjean's mother insists her son never talked about Islamic State.
I didn't raise a devil. He is well educated and he is intelligent. There's nothing to say. Like a boy of 19 who dreams of beautiful things.
As France mourns, its counter-terrorism prosecutor says the other attacker, identified earlier as 19-year-old Adel Kermiche, was also known to French police for allegedly trying to enter Syria twice to wage jihad. The revelations could fuel even more criticism from the French opposition that President François Hollande's socialist government is not doing enough to protect citizens from random attacks by known suspects.